Hello, my friends. So this is my Dia de los Muertos altar. I know it looks like a little grade school project, but I don't care. I just wanted to show you guys how simple it can be and what you at least need to have, and then the rest is up to you. So of course you need photos of your ancestors. That obviously is a given. It can be however you want it, but I just have these little ones up. I kind of move them around my house, based on where they let me know they want to be. So I also, like, behind this is something. So I just wanted to kind of put this up, and I thought I would, put little affirmations on it, etc. And then what you're going to need to do is put offerings out to them. So, I have a couple ancestors who like to smoke. They like chocolate chip cookies. There's some muffin there, some water, some juice, some wine. I do have some tequila back there, some white rum, some Smarties, some gum is back there. And then I also put a crystal for each one of my ancestors, and I just kind of asked them, which one they wanted. And yeah, that's basically it. It's nothing crazy, and as long as it's meaningful to you, that's exactly what it should be. Like I said, I know that there are way more aesthetic altars than this, but personally I love it because I took the time to do it, and I took the time to check in with my ancestors and ask them what they would like. And the kind of food, the kind of drinks. I forgot coffee, so I had to brew another pot, and I shared some coffee with them this morning. So I have these photos up year round, but this is a excellent time of year just to put a focal point for them to come to. You want to make sure you have a candle going while you're home to supervise. Obviously you can have more than one candle, but yeah, so over these next few days, I think Dia de los Muertos goes till November 3rd. I'm not too sure. My husband's Mexican, so I will ask him, but that's why I got a little Mexican flavor here. But either way, whether you call it Dia de los Muertos or we're honoring the ancestors, same idea. This time of year is when the veil is very thin. I don't know if you've had any experiences yet, but I know myself and my friends have. So it's important to let them know that they're welcome, that you honor them, and that you really just thank them for sharing blood with you and for supporting you in this life, and and vice versa. So let me know what your experience is. I also wanted to say, I'll do another video, but I'm doing a Zoom Samhain Halloween ritual tomorrow, October 31st at 12, and it'll be recorded, so I'll put it up if you can't make the recording. That was the time I could do it. I thought I would do it live if anybody wanted to join. So if you're interested in that, send me a DM and I will make sure that you get the link for that.